messing with you. Hey, TikTokers, y'all better come on, get in here, y'all. TikTokers got 6% left. You cut a good light. BMW cut a good light. That wasn't good enough, Junior. Let me see. Hey, yeah, I'm ready to go get me some something to drink. I'm thirsty. I want one of them pineapple lemonade mango drinks. Damn, a lot of good cars coming up now, though. I want to see all three of these. I might go wait a little bit. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all head over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, so y'all can catch it in HD and I can get a new subscriber. When you get over there, let me know so I can say you from TikTok and I'm gonna shout you out, just like that. Look out, miss. Smile, but you gonna put it on your car? Already. You on my channel, right?
I fuck with you. I fuck with the Dakota.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure. Okay. He on there, y'all.
Hey, Eric.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat good tonight. I'm going corn in a cup.
Hey.
TikTok, look out Rio Elam and Bad Dog 007. Lauren Humphrey say I'm doing a great job, y'all. Thank you, Lauren Humphrey. Are you on my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah, Lookout Racing. This show better than my YouTube show, better than TikTok. So it'll be lovely if you come over here. Plus the other bad thing about TikTok is you can only see one car at a time. On YouTube you can at least see both. Okay, Lauren Humphrey says she coming. Rio Elam, messmaker, you late, but you here. 4 doors, more whores from TikTok. And he said it looked way better over here on YouTube. I'm glad you letting them know. Be drastic, he came earlier. Rio Elam, now I ain't racing tonight. I already raced 3 times earlier. You can rewind this video and check out my other passes from earlier and my supercharged 2015 Chevy Caprice police car. Oh yeah, man, it's one of a kind. Freaking super quick. Let me see. Alright. Ooh, this might be a good race, y'all. Ooh, I don't know who's gonna win this one. Ooh, I heard that juice though. He's playing with that button. Ooh, it sounds like the timing too high up on it. We finna see, y'all. Holly Thornton just came from TikTok. Appreciate it. Okay. Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. $590 watching, 305 likes. They say, come on with it. I got 2,300 people watching on TikTok, y'all. 2,500 now. God damn. I got 2,500 on TikTok. $2,600. Look out, look out. Make sure all 2,600 of y'all, 2,700 of y'all. Y'all come over here to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. I'm live. The TikTok about to go dead in a few minutes, but I'm live in HD and it show way better over here. My YouTube channel is Look Out Racing. That's right, look out, look out, look out racing. Come that bike. Oh, it didn't make it fast enough. Mustang for the win. Student driver. When any of y'all, it's 2,900 on. Where everybody from on this TikTok? Ooh, y'all better watch this one right here. Here come a good one, y'all. Here come a good one. Something gonna happen. Ooh wee. Holly Thornton says it's not glitchy on YouTube like it is on TikTok. Oh, it's 3,100 people over there now, though. Oh, shit. Boy, oh, I don't want to get on this side. Oh, I'm finna watch him.